It's about to be my favorite time of year where citrus season and berry season overlap, which means you better believe I am getting ready to make these vegan strawberry lemon cupcakes with the most delicious, fluffy, vegan strawberry buttercream frosting. This recipe is honestly so easy to make and doesn't really require that much prep time either. Plus, it's made with real fresh strawberries for the best flavor possible. You're gonna love it. Enjoy!
If you like durian, you need to try making these durian-filled cupcakes with durian buttercream on top. The cupcakes are super fluffy and the durian buttercream is extremely yummy. So firstly, we're gonna make the cupcakes and scrape the durian flesh off of the durian and put it inside the cupcakes. Then we're gonna make the durian buttercream, which is a mix of ermine and Swiss meringue buttercream. It's really not sweet, so I feel like it complements the durian a lot. Then you can pipe the buttercream on top of the cupcake however you like. I like making it super tall and I honestly love this dessert so much.
Last night I couldn't decide what kind of cupcakes to make between chocolate and vanilla, so I just made both. And they turned out really perfectly actually. The bake was really awesome, and I went with two different types of buttercream. I'm doing chocolate and my favorite strawberry. I hollowed out my cupcakes, and for the chocolate cupcakes I filled them with some chocolate ganache, and for the vanilla cupcakes I filled them with raspberry jam. Topping with the buttercream, and I did two different types of sprinkles for each of the cupcakes. I did sprinkles and peanuts for the chocolate and sprinkles and coconut for the strawberry.
These are the best vegan lemon cupcakes, and if you love lemon desserts, you basically need to make them. So it's a super simple recipe to make. The batter can be made in one bowl. The most important ingredients, we're using olive oil for moisture and pastry flour to give it this light and delicate crumb that is just so delicious. Once the batter is ready, you're going to add it to a muffin pan to bake, and then once they are cooled, make a frosting. I decided to do a simple 3-ingredient vanilla frosting, but lemon frosting also tastes amazing on these. Once it's done, just top with some dried lemons and enjoy.